Drama Channel.
Dito kami sa Fremantle ngayon.
She get the thing. It's nice they're here in the swimming, no? Oh, you see? It's her blocking. Let's go to her head. Oh, you see? It's going to her clothes now. Oh! Oh, it's turning. There. They have a hard time. They're removing the decoration. Look, look, Sienna!
Baby. Baby, for a job.
Look, they get the food. They
They
get the food.
The crayfish, Stacy.
Hi, Peira. Hi. Thank you. Let's go, Peira. Wait, I will teach you with the Lego. Is it? There's the Lego. Hi, Sienna. 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 Hi, Peira.
How could this have a wheel?
One more minute about it. You only made it look better.
You guys look smart. Want a photo?
Little Bay by the sea. Oh, Sienna, we're here. Look at all the ponies. There's the mermaid. They have a lot of mermaid, no?
Sarah Baby's Beach House.
Whoa! Hey, there!
Say hi.
Stalking the mermaid there, Vera.
Oh, good waving. Big wave.
Stalking the
Oh,
mermaid.
good job.
Saying hi. That's cool. Shot of the mermaid. Ganyan yung kanyang kinalalagyan. Yeah. Cool shot of the mermaid. Vera is waving the mermaid. Malapit siya sa beach. Ayan siya. Ang ganda ng area dito. Oh, they're in the beach, Peira. Look at some of the kids. Oh, we go back na to your dad. Maybe your dad is looking to us na. Dito naman kami ngayon sa ibang event after ng Fremantle kanina. Ayan, dito kami sa may Money Park. This is a turtle friendly event. That's the looks. Diyos ko, nagkaligo-ligo kami dito papunta. Grabe. Yung pala malapit lang doon sa pinanggalingan namin sa Fremantle. Oh. Turtle. Tortoise super big. Oh, it's like a royal show. Sunny. Oh, there's a bouncy castle. Huh? What? Look, Sienna. There's a lot of people want to play this game. Ah. It's a lot big, oh. It's a big event. Look, it's a lot there. Super big. Why? You want to buy show bag? Ay, oo, Bertie. Hi, Payra. You wake up na.
Hi, Slidey. And
Oh, you look, Payra. You look. Oh, they're holding the guinea pig baby. They're Payra.
You allowed to touch it?
They're letting the kids hold it.
Oh, Sienna is a dog that maybe it's going to bite you. Oh, look, it's walking at the... Cute, Payra. You go near. Look at the duck. Oh, it's so cute. Why is planting to...
Why? Because I have a hard time.
Why, there's a bug there. So sweet. It's not crying.
It's hiding one time.
Wow, it's so cute.
It's like a mouse.
It's so
Mommy,
cute.
are these mouse? The house?
So who lives with the dog?
It's sleeping. It's so cute. Payra sleeping.
Sleepy.
Payra is
It's
sleeping.
small. It's more than
It's everywhere, Payra. There, oh, there's a lot of bubbles coming to me. Whee! Huh? Oo. There's a Gabby's done. Oh, there's a costume. It's nice or the show bags. Wait, we will look everything show bag. Ayan sila, namimili sila Wayne. Tingin ng show bag. Ayun na. Tapos nandito yung mga food truck. Ayan. Tsaka mga seller. Food truck and seller. Malaki yung event. As in malaki. After namin sa Fremantle, dito kami nagpunta. Payra, what do you want? You choose na? Where's Payra? Does Sienna like? Reaper? Give me the thing. Payra! Payra, this is yours. Skittles. Hi. I'm waiting. Payra, you look at your dad. Sienna down. Oh, so cute. It's like a cat cleaning.
It's a guinea pig.
Yeah, but it looks like a cat where she's cleaning. Ay nako, na-stuck kami dito sa may guinea pig, anim. So gusto nila yung farm. Hi, Payra!
Is it body shape?
Nagustuhan nila yung guinea pig. Eh, may pusa kami. Gusto niya magpabili. Oh, Payra, look! She want to try to touch it. Wow, hot sauce. You try to touch?
Wait, I'll clean my hand. My hand looks terrifyingly black. Looks terrifyingly dirty. But
Whoa! Oh, Pera, Sienna, you're next.
and then you can probably just wipe it on a grown up. Yeah. That's what they're for.
What feels? Sienna, what's the feeling? What's the feeling?